Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chima. If you're meeting me for the very first time, I'm a YouTuber based in South Africa. You're very much welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please consider hitting the red button that says subscribe. I'm almost getting to 1,000 subscribers and I'll be glad if you join my family. So today I decided to use the Bentonite clay on my hair, you guys. This is the Bentonite clay and I've read a lot of good reviews about this clay. I decided to give it a try because I've been trying to transition my hair for a couple of months now. I've not really given my hair that attention it needs, and it started breaking, it started shedding and all that. So, and I got a lot of information on Google about this clay and the benefits. It has detoxing effect, it defines your curls, it has a lot of moisturizing effect to it. I'm going to be reading out the claims of this clay to you guys and also show you other ingredients I'll be adding to this clay to give it a more effective result. So the first thing I'm going to do is to measure the amount of clay I want to use. So I'm going to be using this much. Let me add a little bit more. Adding more. You want to use a plastic spoon. If you use iron spoon or stainless spoon, it's going to activate the clay before it gets to your hair. So you want to use a plastic spoon. The next thing I'm going to be using is apple cider vinegar, and make sure it's the one with the mother. I'm just gonna shake that a little bit. I'm gonna shake it. So I'm going to be using this much. This is my lavender oil. Just going to add that in few drops. Okay, so I'm going to mix that. I'll be adding my extra virgin olive oil. Lastly, I'm going to add water. how but I don't even have anyone remaining. but you can see, you already saw I finished it. So I'm still going to be doing a 1 week face mask with bentonite clay, and I hope to film it for you guys as well. Yeah, that's basically what this video is about. Let me just go moisturize my hair and continue with my day. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, not a thumbs down, and do not forget to hit that red button there that says subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and join my family. I'll see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.